It's not magic. It's not a secret. It's something powerful and simple that anyone can use. It's called compound interest. In this video, we'll show you exactly what compound interest is, how it works, and why it's often called the eighth wonder of the world. Whether you're saving, investing, or just starting out, this one concept can change your entire financial future. Let's begin with a simple story. Imagine you have two friends, Sarah and Tom. Sarah starts investing £100 a month at age 20. She invests for 10 years, then stops. She never adds another cent. Tom waits until he's 30. Then he starts investing £100 a month and keeps going until he's 60. Guess who has more money at age 60? It's Sarah. Even though she only invested for 10 years and Tom invested for 30, Sarah ends up with more money. Why? Because of compound interest. So what exactly is compound interest? Compound interest is when your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, and then that interest earns even more interest. It's a snowball effect. At first it feels slow, but over time it picks up speed and grows fast. Let's say you invest $1,000 at 8% interest per year. After 1 year you earn $80, so now you have 1 through 80. In year 2 you earn 8% on 1 through 80, not just the original 1,000, that's 86.40. Now you have 1,066.40. Each year the amount of interest grows, and your money grows faster. Now imagine doing this for 20, 30 or 40 years. The results are mind-blowing. Let's look at real numbers. If you invest £100 a month, starting at age 20 and keep going until age 60, you'll invest a total of $48,000. But with compound interest at 8%, you'd end up with over $280,000. That's more than 5 times your original investment. If you wait until age 30, that same £100 a month would grow to around $120,000. Still great, but a massive difference. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Time is the secret ingredient. The longer your money has to grow, the less you need to invest. Let's break it down visually. Imagine planting a tree. In year 1, it's just a seed. In year 2, a small sprout. Year 3, a tiny plant. It doesn't look impressive, but by year 10, it's a strong tree. By year 20, it's massive, producing fruit, shade, and growing bigger every year. That's how compound interest works. In the beginning it looks small, but if you stay consistent and give it time, it becomes unstoppable. Now here's something even more powerful. Let's say you invest $200 a month instead of $100. Start at age 25, invest until age 60. You'd invest $84,000 in total. At 8%, you'd end up with over $370,000. Double the monthly amount, your end result nearly triples. This shows how small changes early on can lead to big results later. Here's another way to think of compound interest. It's your personal money machine. Every euro you invest starts working for you, and it never takes a break. It works while you sleep. It works while you're on vacation. It works when you're sick, tired, or busy. You earn once, invest it, and then your money starts earning more money for you. The earlier you start, the harder your money works. Let's answer a common question. What's the best way to start using compound interest? Here's a 4-step plan. Step 1, start now. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. You don't need a lot of money. Even 25s or 50s a month is a great start. Step 2, use a high-growth account. Put your money in something that earns compound interest. That could be a retirement account, an index fund, or a high-yield savings account. Look for consistent returns, ideally 7% to 10% annually. Step 3, be consistent. Set up automatic transfers each month. Don't skip. Don't pause. Don't wait for the perfect time. Compound interest needs consistency to work. Step 4, don't touch it. Let your money grow. Avoid pulling it out early. Every time you withdraw, you interrupt the compounding process. Let's show a comparison. Person A invests £200 a month for 10 years, then stops. Person B starts 10 years later and invests £200 a month for 30 years. At retirement, person A has more money, even though they invested less. Why? Because of compound interest and starting early. Let's talk about the rule of 72. It's a simple formula to estimate how long it takes your money to double. Divide 72 by your interest rate. So if you earn 8% annually, 72 divided by 8 equals 9. That means your money will double every 9 years. So £1,000 becomes £2,000 in 9 years, then £4,000 in another 9, then £8,000, and so on. This doubling effect is the core of compounding. It's like stacking dominoes. At first, the growth is slow, but once the momentum builds, it explodes. Here's a fun fact. If you fold a piece of paper 42 times, it would reach the moon. That's the power of exponential growth. Compound interest works the same way. Small steps, big rewards, over time. Now let's address the skeptics. What if the market goes down? Good question. Yes, the market will have ups and downs. That's normal. But compound interest works best over long periods. Historically, markets go up over time. Your job isn't to predict the market. Your job is to stay invested. Time in the market beats timing the market. The earlier and longer you invest, the more your money can grow, even with ups and downs. Let's talk mindset. Compound interest rewards patience. It's not flashy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's the most reliable path to wealth. If you want financial freedom, peace of mind, and a future where money works for you, compound interest is your best friend. One last example before we wrap up. Let's say a 22-year-old starts investing £150 a month at 8% annual returns. By age 65, they'll have over £500,000. If they wait until age 32 to start, they'll end up with around £230,000. Same monthly amount, same investment. Just 10 years later, and they lose over $500,000. Time is more valuable than money. Start early. Stay consistent. Let compound interest do its magic. So what's the takeaway? Start investing now. Even small amounts matter. Be consistent. Let your money grow. And watch how the power of compound interest transforms your future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Money Map, and share this with someone who needs to start saving today. Want a simple savings tracker or investing planner? Check the link in the description for our free printable tools. And don't miss our next video, How to Start Investing with Little Money. See you there.